let's start with chapter number 17 on history and early men. The history क्या एक subject which tells about the past. So हमारे past के बारे में. History is a subject which tells about the past. History is the study of past. We often think of people, places, food, and life of early age, how they lived in the past, what food they ate, what they did for recreation, and so on. History provides answers to these questions. People who study history, जो लोग हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं में क्या कहा जाता है, historians कहा जाता है. They are known as historians. Need to study history. भाई अब हमें need क्यों पढ़े हिस्ट्री को पढ़ने? कोई ना कोई need होगी इसलिए पढ़ा होगा. So why we need to study history? It is important to study history because we learn many things from past. It's great lessons, teachings from great person, great leaders, and mistake that people make. But it is the best inspiring subject जो enable करता है हमें to know and learn about the efforts, discoveries and recreating nature of people. जिन लोगों को motivate करता है to keep persistence in life to be successful. अब हम sources of history की बात करते हैं, sources जो हमें मिले हैं. Now the question arises that what sources can provide information of the past and about the people who live up. How it can be trusted. भाई कैसे हम जो हमें information मिली है past में लोगों के बारे में, कैसे हम उसको trustworthy मान सकते हैं. So look, if you want to know about a family, we look at albums containing photographs and old letters, diaries and greeting cards. ये जो सारे sources है ये family की information देते हैं. In same way, the sources of history can be coins, clothes, books, monuments, seals, or printings after they were made. The life of early men. The historian considered the early man was the man who lived on earth thousands of years. He had very difficult time. He was not aware of building house. He took shelter by under the tree, rocks या caves में उसने shelter लिया, and he had no understanding of fire, agriculture, or taming animals. इसकी knowledge ही नहीं थी. And we was afraid of this animal, and we lived as food gather hunting animals and ate raw flesh and berries, fruits of plants whenever he felt hungry. And life was challenging. वो कहते थे पहले हम वाइल्ड एनिमल से डरते थे, खाने को रॉ खाते थे, ऐसे ही खा लेते थे, और जो हमें उस टाइम के लाइफ स्टाइल बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग. Tools and weapons. Early men needs tools and weapons to kill animals for their food. He used some sharp-edged stones like knives, eggs. He also used sharp wooden sticks. Later, he learned to tie the sharp stones to a wooden strings and he made a spear one. So the man started his life as a food gatherer, passed on the stoning. When he used tools made of stone, in between he learned using fire. वो क्या कर रहा था जब दो stones को ऐसे घिस रहा था, एक spark of light आई, और जैसे वो spark of light आई कि वहाँ घास चलने लगी तो बात के अंदर छिड़ी. जो रॉक मीट था वो वहाँ पे छूट गया था, वो रोस्ट हो. ठीक है. And he was afraid of fire. He found that fire protected him from cold as well as animals. So he learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together. He started learning the use of fire. The wise men say that one day perhaps suddenly a piece of raw flesh, जो मैंने आपको बताया उसके हाथ से जो raw flesh था वो उसमें गिर गया, वो रोस्ट हो गया. जब वो उन्होंने देखा तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट और टेस्टी लगा. ठीक है. He could now roast the animal flesh by placing it on fire and उसको cold में भी protect करते. Evolution of early men's life. देखो discovery of fire जो था वो एक incident था in the life of early men. He made many efforts to become modern men. From food gatherer, he grew over agriculture, farming, and even husband. Was perhaps women who noticed that some of seeds fell in from the ripe fruit from the ground. जो कुछ seeds गिर रही थी ground पे वो plant होने लगा. After some time, his early men has the idea to scatter grains on the ground and seeds grow into plant. And the men learned the anything. जब देखा तो early men ने क्या करा, seeds को ground में बिखेर दिया. इससे देखा plant होने लगे. इसी से क्या हुआ, agriculture का invention. And they started living settled lives. He now lived near his farmland and a house. Several families grouped together made cluster of houses and villages formed. Man made villages near the source of water, ponds and river bank. Beside it, he also tamed some animals. इसमें कुछ animals को tame करा. सबसे पहला जो animal जिसे tame करा गया था वो था dog. ठीक है. Sheep and goats were tamed for wool and milk. Horses, camel, cows and buffaloes को भी tame करा जाता था. Settled life gave him some free time. इन्होंने क्या करा, wheel के invention से जो उनकी life थी वो change हो गई and he learned to make pots of clay where he used to store food bricks. Sometimes he had to visit nearby villages, stay heavy loads को पहले इन्हें अपने कंधे पे रख के जाना पड़ता था. Now after the invention of steam, they use carts. Early men noticed some round piece of tree trunks rolling easily. They fitted as small pieces of trunk to his car. तो उसका फर्स्ट मील था. And it made traveling on land easier and fast. Invention था wheels house ने proved to be the most important reason. And today जो wheel है वो एक essential part है हमारी हर एक मशीन. Man's growth started and we took many years to reach the age of iron. The growth went with sources of energy. Started with animal energy, steam energy, फिर coal energy आई, फिर petroleum energy और atomic energy. The story of men still continues and now we are a part of. The story of men we continue with them, we are part of. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.